Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add markers in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now you will be needing to open your project so you can have this project panel. So you can do it by going to the file, new projects, and then you can choose your aspect ratio or open project. Now you can simply start uh, adding media by going to the projects media and make sure that you are in the media panel or the media menu. Then you can start importing media. So here I'm just going to stick with this video and I'm just going to keep match the project here, and basically this is my uh, media. Now to add markers, all you will be needing to do is to click on M, and M is the shortcut of using markers. So as you can see here, now I have marked my video, and here it is showing the marker, and of course you can replace it. Now to add a marker in the menu, here you can find it in the timeline panel. You will find it here in this menu, and basically here it will add a marker, and now you can simply start to add markers however you would like. And if you want to delete a marker, you can simply click on the marker and delete it, and it will unmark it. And basically by that you can start having checkpoints or creating markers, so you can search or to tag the places where you want to add transition or where you want to cut your video, etc. Basically you are marking some important times or some important clips in your video. So basically that was the way on how you can create a marker or add a marker into your project or into your clips here in Filmora. Thank you for watching and see you next time.